Transmission is coming to you.
You got it.
Hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and yay, it's Friday, January 4th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets and the top movers we're watching today. Today's headline news are brought to you by Intelligentias Incorporated. Intelligentias is positioned to be a leading provider of data forensic retention software for telecommunications companies, internet service providers, businesses, and law enforcement agencies all over the world. With their unique specialization, leading-edge technology, and top-tier customer base, Intelligentias qualifies as one of the most dynamic and fastest-growing companies in the Homeland Security sector. Now let's get right into the headline news from Thursday. State Street Corporation cleaned house on Thursday after investments tied to subprime mortgages soured, but its shares surged more than 8% to an all-time high as the trust bank raised earnings expectations amid booming businesses serving institutional investors. A family-owned business that started with a local newspaper more than 100 years ago and became best known as owners of the Weather Channel is now looking into selling its businesses, including 9 daily newspapers. Frank Batten Jr., Landmark Communications Incorporation's chairman and CEO, announced Thursday that the privately held company has retained investment banks J.P. Morgan and Lehman Brothers to help it look into possible sales scenarios. The markets opened this morning with the Dow up 12.76 points or 0.10%, the Nasdaq down 6.95 points or 0.27%, and the S&P 500 ends its day at even. And now for a look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Small cap headlines are brought to you today by Cord Blood America. Cord Blood America is focused on becoming the most respected stem cell preservation company in the world. Through its subsidiary CoreCell, the company is licensed and accredited cord blood company and has been dedicated to its work since 1995. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight Global Links Corporation as our one to watch, up 25% with over 347 million shares traded. Global Links Corporation announced last month that the board of directors has approved a plan to sell its real estate holdings in Kingman, Arizona. This sale could bring between $8 to $10 million in revenue, depending on the structure of the sale. The board of directors has also approved a plan to acquire Southwest Title Company, which will be finalized during the first week of January 2008. ExxonX Incorporated is up 34% with over 7 million shares traded. Now, ExxonX Incorporated shares have seen increased investor attention as the solar sector continues to stay red hot, no pun intended. Last month, ExxonX Incorporated obtained a $21 million equity financing commitment to support the launch of its baseline production system and the first 25 megawatts of its planned 100 megawatt solar module manufacturing capacity. The company plans to increase its manufacturing capacities to over 100 megawatts by the year 2010. Universal Energy Corporation is up 21% with over 135,000 shares traded. Universal Energy Corporation recently announced they are on pace to complete drilling at their W. Rosedale prospect ahead of schedule. The company has also continued to provide daily reports from the Lake Campo prospect, which has shown gas is in multiple zones previously identified by the 3D seismic report of the prospect. And that's it for our newsmakers this Friday. Stay tuned right here to the QualityStocks.net daily newsletter for the latest news from small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great weekend, and we will see you again Monday right here on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.